Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. Today you're going to be out with Michael and Nathan, one of the commercial bin cleaning teams here at LBC. They've got a busy day today, heading off down to Croydon this morning, then back up to Hendon and on to Stanmore if they get time. Let's meet the commercial bin cleaning team, Nathan and Michael. So this is the commercial bin cleaning truck, one of the commercial bin cleaning trucks. It's all ready to go already. The guys, after every day, come back to the yard, clean out the back, which gets pretty messy, as you can imagine. We've got a special trade effluent at the yard to dispose of the foul wastewater, which is very important. Some other companies that don't have that can't legally clean bins. If they're letting the water into the local waterways, then you're not meant to do that. Obviously, it causes an environmental risk. So we've got a special trade effluent where we catch some wastewater on board, as you'll see today, and at the end of the day, we bring it back to the yard to dispose of it safely and in accordance with our trade effluent license. So enjoy the day, guys. Going to leave you in the capable hands of Michael and Nathan. I've just nicked the camera off Vinny, but I had to show you this. This is hilarious. Little cameraman in the middle. How is it, guys? Nice and cozy?
So we're at Croydon Hospital. We're here to do some food bins. Can be a little bit messy, so what we have to do first, at the moment Nathan's emptying them out, taking any sort of leftover rubbish, putting them in black bins, and then what we'll do next is we'll line them all up, start to sort of clean the outside, make sure there's as much dirt off it as possible, and then what we'll do is put it up on the back of the wagon and then set it up and then do the insides afterwards, give it a little spray out with some smelly so it smells nice. Yeah, this is one of the food bins. As you can see, sometimes they don't even get inside the bin. There'll be sort of a bit of residue outside. You'll also get some sort of juices at the bottom. A majority of the jobs we go to, they want to sort of keep track of when the last time the bins are cleaned. So what we'll do is write the date on them.
That was when it was last done?
Yep.
And then you just put today's date. Okay.
Yep.
So Nathan, what you're doing? You're just getting rid of all the waste first?
Yeah, just emptying out all the bags that are in here so we can clean inside it. Take their bags out, put it in our bags so we can dispose of it better.
Yeah, they're proper grimy, aren't
and that's only from like 2 months as well.
So if LBC weren't here, it'd be horrific, wouldn't it?
It would, yeah.
But when you give them back, they'll all be smelling lovely, clean and smelling good.
That's the main bit, smelling good.
Good system here. Nathan's just emptying them out. He's lining them all up, ready for Big Mike to clean all the outside of it, and they'll be ready to go onto the back. So hospitals, they need to be sterile, they need to be clean, they need to be hygienic. So LBC's work here is very, very important. So Mike's just cleaned all the outside of the bins. Nathan's brought them over. He just opened all the lids now. Because on the underside of the lids, they're all grubby. So he's just getting that section all cleaned up. Don't want to get too close, but you get the idea. Food waste. Pretty horrific in these bins. That's why LBC is here to take care of it. The high-tech cleaning system.
So what we're doing now is putting the bins onto the back of the van where Nathan will spray out the insides, get them nice and clean. Then he'll put them down for me to put some smelly in.
Just going on what Conan was chatting about earlier, the water in here gets filtered through, is that right? Do you want to just show us that through the back?
So yeah,
the machine catches all the water, right?
Yeah, so the water gets filtered through. So it'll come out the back of the van, through here, up, in through this filter, and then go in through, back into the tank where it gets refiltered again afterwards. So it gets filtered 2 or 3 times on the way through, and then it comes back out.
So it's economical when you get to reuse the water, yeah?
Yeah, exactly. done, set to head off to the next job in Hendon way. So yeah, now for the hour-and-a-half journey across town. We've got a slightly different job, some of the bigger commercial bins. So what we do with these, we'll sort of spray the outside and then obviously hook them up to the back again, same as before, do the inside, a bit smelly, then obviously leave them to one side. At this place we've got some smaller bins to do as well, but it's only the outside of those ones we have to do. So these are usually sort of for the recycling bins, so
Okay.
A lot of them will be half full and things like that, so we'll just do the outside.
Ah, so you're just spritzing up the outside.
Yeah,
okay.
Basically.
All right. Okay, so they've just got the first commercial bin up, and as you can see at the very bottom, look at all that sludge and slime. Absolutely filthy. So Nathan's about to clean out the inside. So let's see how this comes up. This is post-cleaning. Right, nice pressure wash. Looks like a totally different bin. Mike's just done all the exterior of the bins, and he is just lining them all up, ready for Nathan to clean the inside. Once it's all cleaned, outside and in, inside and out, the finishing touches. The smelly, lovely, smelly, clean and smelling good. Commercial bins done. It's got all these domestic bins now, and the brief is they're just cleaning the outside of these, because I think they're recycling bins, so they're not that grubby inside, so they're just giving the outside of these domestic bins a little spritz up. Job done, commercial bins done, domestic bins done. So the team are back at the yard. Just going to give the truck a little clean off before they knock off. Cheers mate, I'll see you in the next one, yeah? Yeah. Mike.
Good to see you.
Bang, well played. Great team, great team.
So thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed today's video and seeing how we clean commercial bins right across London, creating cleaner, healthier places for people to live. If you're liking our content, please make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up on this video, as it helps the YouTube algorithms. Also, if you've got any comments on anything that you've seen today or anything that you've seen in any previous videos, then please do leave them below and I will respond to you directly. Click here to subscribe. Click here for some more commercial bin cleaning videos, or click here for last week's video.